Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So in this video we'll discuss the second problem of Leetcode Weekly Contest 341. It's an easy level problem. Generally you get a medium problem in the form of the second question, but this is an easy one, but still the accuracy is approximately 50%. But I would say it's an easier problem. Okay, so just a brute force approach would work here. Let's see what the problem is asking us to do. So the name of the problem is find the maximum divisibility score. You are given two zero indexed integer arrays, nums and divisors. Okay, the divisibility score of divisors of I is the number of indices j such that nums of j is divisible by divisors of I. Okay, return the integer divisor of I with maximum divisibility score. If there is more than one integer with the maximum score, return the minimum of them. Okay, a big problem statement. In short, it is trying to say you have two arrays, okay, nums and divisors. Okay, the score of this 5 is the number of integers which are divisible by 5. Okay, score of 2 is the number of integers in this array which are divisible by 2. Score of 3 is the number of integers in this nums array which are divisible by 3. Okay, so you got the score for all these numbers in the divisors array. Okay, now return the number with the maximum divisibility score. Okay, with the maximum divisibility score. So if I talk about 5, so how many numbers are divisible by 5? Okay, 0, right? So for 5 the score is 0. What about 2? So it's 1. So only one number is divisible by 2. Got it? That is nums of 0. What about 3? How many numbers are divisible by 3? So it is 9, 3 and 9. So 3. 3 numbers are divisible by 3. So in this case you turn 3. Let's take one more example. Okay, so here how many numbers are divisible by 5? So 1, 2. So the divisibility score is 2 for this one. What about 7? So the divisibility of 7 is 1, 2, because two numbers are divisible by 7 as well. Okay, similarly the divisibility score of 5 is also 2. Now all of them have the same divisibility score, right? So it says that when you have more than one integer with the maximum score with the same divisibility score, firstly you have to return the number with the maximum divisibility score. In this case all of them are maximum, all of them are same, so return the minimum of them. So what is the minimum of 5, 7 and 5? That is 5. So you return 5. Like in this case, the maximum divisibility score was 3. And it was for which integer? It was for 3. Hence your answer was 3. Right? Similarly here, what you will do? Here, for 10, how many numbers are divisible by 10? 0. How many numbers are divisible by 16? 0. So both of them have the same score. So you will pick the minimum number. That is 10. Hence 10 is your answer. Okay. The constraints are low. The number of integers that you can have in each of the array is 1000. So you can run a nested loop of n square roughly, and that should work, right? And the numbers can go up to 10 raised to power 9. So that is what I've done here. The max score is initialized by -1 and max quotient is the maximum value. Okay, now for each divisor I am counting how many numbers in nums are divisible by this current divisor. So count equals to 0. If n mod d equals 0, count plus plus. Okay, once you are done for this divisor, just check that if the current count, that means the count for this divisor or the score for this divisor, is greater than the max score, so update your max score and update your answer max score int. Okay, you do this. The second case is if the score for this current divisor equals to max score, so what I'll do, I'll pick the minimum number. So the minimum number is in max score int till now, so max score int and d, whichever is minimum will be assigned to max score int, and you will return the your final answer will be max score int only. Other way to solve it, if you want to avoid this comparison, so all you need to do is basically you can sort the divisor. Okay, you can sort the divisor, because if you sort it, so obviously the minimum value of divisor will come at the beginning and so on, it will be in increasing order. So only this condition will work here. But yeah, that's another way to do it. But you can take any algorithm, both the algorithms will work here. The time complexity will vary. Since the constraints are low, you can go ahead with any of them. Okay, so yeah, I hope you learned something new from this video. Do support it by giving up a thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel as well. In case you want to connect, you can connect with me on LinkedIn. The link is mentioned in the description. The solution is also mentioned in the description. So yeah, in case of any queries, add that into the comment section. I'll revert on each one of them. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.